Here's the little joystick where you can move it. See? Pan down. Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about this. I was looking for a nice handheld gimbal and I came across this off geek.com. Beyond Sky. It's an Eyemind Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. I'm going to crack this open. We're going to take a look at it and see what it does.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
I'm just going to kind of rip it open. Let's see. It's packaged very well. Alright, inside the box, instruction booklet, and I'll turn this so you can see it. Look at that, that's impressive. Very nice, very well put together. Oh yeah. Look at there. Oh, this is something else. I like that. Fits nice in the palm of your hand. Comes with a nice weighted piece right here. USB charging cable. In the bottom here it has rechargeable batteries. Let me get my phone in this and charge it up and we'll be right back.
Come on.
Okay, here it is in my hand with a phone set up. Hold the power button in. You can see it start right up. There we go. Okay, as you can see, it does just fine in the different modes. Every time you tap this, it switches to a different mode. Right now I've got it for if you're just doing it yourself. Here's the little joystick where you can move it. See? Pan down. Bring it to the side. Yeah, I mean, it's very nice. Definitely well worth the money. And very well built. Battery goes right in there. Right here's where you charge it. Beyond Sky. Power button. The button to move it back and forth. Pan up and down. This button here on the back is for taking photos or clicking to video.
No, wait, let me say something. Let me say something.
It was $66 plus another $12 for standard shipping. It's a really great deal. They do have many others. I noticed this one's sold out now. Sorry about that. It does come with pre-installed software like most of them do. It's something great I think everybody's going to have a lot of fun with. It's a very stable experience. It's very easy to set up on your phone. One key to take beauties or selfies. It does offer capture time for time-lapse shots. Very nice. It has 8-hour working time. Really nice setup. Active tracking if you're trying to capture action while you're recording. And having a gimbal one for that makes it very smooth. You got the roll motor, and depending on the size of the phone, if you go like a larger phone like Samsung Galaxy S8, 9, 10, whatever, you actually have a piece you can put on the back as a counterweight to help you. The battery type's 18650, 2600 milliamp hours. Battery life's approximately 8 hours depending. I mean, if you're shooting video, it will be a little bit less, but still not bad at all. Yeah, it's a really great item. And like I said, for the price, I couldn't beat it.
That's about all the questions we have time not to answer today. The attachés will be handing out printed copies of all the information we didn't give you. There will be another briefing tomorrow, and we will be prepared to not answer any more questions you have then.
So what time?
We'd rather not say.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.